Have you been frustrated by the broken global IT channel? Do you find it difficult to successfully manage ever-changing regulations related to borders, trade compliance, tariffs, duties, or taxes? Are you struggling to deliver IT projects to your geo-dispersed multinational customers? At Viadex Global Partner Services, we provide the subject matter expertise and hands-on resources, enabling you to deliver IT hardware solutions to all over the globe. We help our partners to add the value of global delivery service capabilities through a full turnkey IOR, EOR, DDP service with country-by-country global logistics expertise and experience to serve their customers' requirements confidently in 130 countries. This results in enhanced global fulfillment capabilities, efficient global product supply, reduced costs, and supply chain risks. Since 2001, our experienced team of IT supply chain subject matter experts have been helping our customers by offering export and import permits and licenses, end-to-end collection and delivery, customs clearance and payment of taxes, product classification, rapid turnaround, fair and creative pricing structures, strict timelines, document management, reports and shipment updates, compliance and risk assessment. All of these offerings can be packaged into a service tailored to your specific needs. By taking care of import, compliance, logistics, project management challenges on your behalf, we help you bid on and win global projects as an extension of your team. View the world as one market with one business partner, Viadex Global Partner Services. To get a quick and accurate quote, contact us today.